How to reset YouTube account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your YouTube account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your settings, simply scroll down and tap on data in YouTube. And this is where YouTube stores all your activity, and it's where we will reset everything. So simply scroll down until you see the option labeled as manage your YouTube watch history. So simply tap on it, and from here simply hit delete and choose delete all time from the drop down menu. And again, after that, to confirm your deletion, simply tap on the delete button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, your entire watch history is gone. And now if you close and reopen YouTube, since your history is cleared, your recommendation will start fresh based on what you watch next. And that's it. Now you have a clean slate of YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.